Are you looking for ways to take your health and wellness to the next level? Whether you want to focus on physical or mental health, or just find ways to better balance your lifestyle, this video has something for everyone. From tips on nutrition and exercise to managing stress and finding a healthy work-life balance, stay tuned for helpful advice on how to achieve optimal health and wellness. Optimal health and wellness is a state of being in which one is physically, mentally, and emotionally well. It is a balance of healthy lifestyle habits and practices that promote overall physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Optimal health and wellness is a goal that is achievable through proper nutrition, exercise, sleep, and stress management. Maintaining optimal health and wellness is important for a variety of reasons. It promotes physical health, emotional stability, and mental clarity. It can also help improve productivity, focus, and creativity. Additionally, it can reduce the risk of developing chronic health conditions, such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. The benefits of maintaining optimal health and wellness are far-reaching. People who prioritize their health and well-being are more likely to experience greater energy levels, improved cognitive functioning, improved physical performance, and a greater sense of overall happiness. When it comes to a healthy diet, there are 4 essential components to consider. First, eating a balanced diet by making sure to include all of the major food groups. This includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, dairy, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Second, controlling portion sizes, to ensure you are consuming the right amount of each food group. Third, consuming a variety of foods. This helps ensure your body is receiving a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals. And fourth, eating regularly, which helps to maintain your energy levels and hunger levels. When it comes to finding the best sources of essential nutrients, there are a few to consider. For protein, lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, and nuts are the healthiest choices. For carbohydrates, whole grains and starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, and squash are best. For healthy fats, look to foods like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. And for fiber, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are the most beneficial sources. When it comes to foods that should be avoided, there are many unhealthy options that should be limited or avoided altogether. Processed foods such as chips, candy, and sugary drinks are high in calories and low in nutrients, and should be avoided. Fried foods should also be limited, as they are high in unhealthy fats. In addition to eating the right kinds of foods, having healthy dietary habits is important for achieving optimal health and wellness. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help keep your energy levels up and your metabolism running. Eating breakfast is also important for kickstarting your metabolism and providing your body with the right nutrients to keep you going throughout the day. Also, it is important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. For more informative videos, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Exercise is an important part of achieving optimal health and wellness. It not only helps to improve physical health, but it also has numerous mental and emotional benefits. Regular exercise can help reduce stress, improve mood, and improve overall well-being. Regular exercise provides countless benefits for both physical and mental health. Physically, exercise helps to strengthen and tone muscles, improves flexibility, and increases energy levels. It also helps to reduce the risk of obesity and related diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. Additionally, regular exercise can help to improve the immune system, increase bone density, and even improve cognitive function. Mentally, regular exercise can help to reduce stress and anxiety, increase self-esteem, and improve mood. It can also help to reduce symptoms of depression and improve overall mental well-being. The type of exercise you choose should depend on your overall fitness level and goals. For example, if you are looking to lose weight, you may want to focus on aerobic exercises such as running, brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. On the other hand, if you are looking to build muscle and strength, you may want to focus on resistance training such as weightlifting. For optimal health and wellness, it is important to choose a variety of exercises that will target different muscle groups and help to improve overall fitness. For example, if you are looking to improve core strength and stability, you may want to include exercises such as planks and bridges. If you are looking to improve flexibility, you may want to incorporate stretching and foam rolling. There are 4 main types of exercise routines: aerobic, strength training, flexibility, and balance. Aerobic exercise involves continuous rhythmic movements that increase heart rate and breathing. Examples include running, swimming, and biking. Strength training consists of exercises that use resistance to increase muscle strength and size. Examples include weightlifting and Pilates. Flexibility exercises are used to improve joint and muscle range of motion, such as stretching and Tai Chi. Balance exercises are used to improve coordination and balance, such as Pilates. It is important to take safety precautions when exercising. This includes warming up and cooling down before and after exercise, wearing the proper clothing and shoes, and staying hydrated. It is essential to pay attention to your body and not strain yourself excessively. If you are new to exercise, it is a good idea to start slowly and gradually increase intensity over time. Mental health is a key component of overall health and wellness. It's important to take care of our mental well-being to ensure we're living our best life. Mental health involves many components, including physical, emotional, behavioral, and social. Physical health relates to the body's ability to function properly, while emotional health focuses on our feelings and how we express them. Behavioral health is related to our actions and our ability to interact with others. Finally, social health is about the quality of our relationships and how we interact with our environment. One of the most important things you can do for your mental health is to establish healthy habits. Some of these habits include getting enough sleep, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and taking time for yourself. Other healthy habits include limiting your stress levels, maintaining healthy relationships, learning how to manage your emotions, and finding ways to relax. Practicing mindfulness is a great way to achieve optimal mental health and wellness. Mindfulness is the process of non-judgmentally bringing your attention to the present moment. This can help to reduce stress, increase emotional regulation, and improve overall well-being. While it's important to recognize the signs of mental health problems, it's also important to remember that mental health issues can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, race, or socioeconomic status. Common signs of mental health problems include persistent sadness or irritability, difficulty concentrating, changes in eating or sleeping patterns, withdrawal from social activities, feeling overwhelmed or out of control, and physical symptoms such as headaches or stomach aches. If you are experiencing any of these signs, it's important to reach out to a healthcare professional or mental health counselor for help. Life is full of stress. From work to family life, there are many sources of stress that can take a toll on our physical and mental health. But managing stress is key to achieving optimal health and wellness. Stress can be caused by a variety of factors, from work-related pressures and financial concerns to family conflicts and health issues. It's important to be aware of the sources of stress in your life so you can address them and manage your response to them. Recognizing the indications of stress is essential in order to effectively handle it. Common signs of stress include feeling overwhelmed, irritable, tired, anxious, and having difficulty concentrating. Physical symptoms may also manifest, such as headaches, muscle tension, and digestive issues. It's essential to take action to handle your stress if you have any of these signs. There are a few things you can do to manage stress and achieve optimal health and wellness. First, it's important to identify the sources of stress in your life so that you can take steps to reduce them. For instance, if work is a major source of stress, you can look for ways to manage your workload better and create a more manageable schedule. If family dynamics are an issue, you can look for ways to improve communication and find ways to resolve conflicts. Different methods exist to help lessen stress. These include relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, visualization, and guided imagery. Mindfulness practices such as meditation and Tai Chi can also be helpful. Additionally, making lifestyle changes such as exercising, eating nutritious foods, and getting enough sleep can help reduce stress. Sleep is critical for achieving optimal health and wellness. Not getting enough sleep can have serious consequences on your physical and mental health, affecting your performance and overall well-being. When you get the right amount of sleep, your body and brain get the rest and relaxation they need to function at their best. Adequate sleep helps your body to regulate hormones, maintain a healthy immune system, and even play a role in memory formation and learning. Studies have also shown that regular quality sleep can help reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. If you aren't getting enough restful sleep, you may experience physical and mental fatigue, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and lack of motivation. You may also find yourself craving sugary snacks and drinks due to low energy levels. Sleep disorders are conditions that affect your ability to get enough sleep. They include insomnia, obstructive sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, narcolepsy, and shift work disorder. Many of these conditions can be treated with lifestyle changes, medications, and other therapies. There are a variety of ways to improve sleep quality and get the restful sleep you need. Establishing a regular sleep schedule and avoiding caffeine and other stimulants can help. You can also practice relaxation techniques such as mindfulness before bed. In addition, creating a comfortable sleeping environment by limiting light and noise and using a supportive mattress can help you achieve better sleep. In conclusion, achieving optimal health and wellness takes commitment and dedication. It is important to make healthy lifestyle choices, such as regular physical activity, eating a balanced diet, getting adequate sleep, and managing stress. With these lifestyle changes, you can reach your overall health and wellness goals and enjoy the benefits of improved physical and mental health.